thought that it is going to go this long, or you are going to get so deeply connected. So something started really casual, or you were not very serious about this person, but then something happened and now you have deep feelings with them and they have it for you as well. I see that you try to cut each other out of your life, but then something also keeps you stuck on each other for a very long time. All right, so somebody thinks about you, they have you on their mind, and you also have this person. I see that you know that it is a good thing for you to leave this person behind and move on in life, but something is not allowing you to do so. You keep getting stuck on this person. Six of Cups. You are hoping to hear from this person. Who is this Virgo? Who is this person? You are so freaking attracted to them, or they are so freaking attracted to you. I say it's a mutual attraction, to be honest. It's not a one-sided thing, because of course we have devil here. This is equally toxic, but then you want it. Like sometimes, we know things are toxic, but then we still want them. It's one such scenario. You know this person won't commit to you. You know this person is not stable. They are just, they keep tempting you. They are not going to give you what you want, but then you keep wanting more of them, or they keep wanting more of you. You are trying to basically hold yourself from going forward to this person, but it's going to be difficult for you. Like you want to not go back to this person, but then I see there's a heavy temptation, so ultimately you might just do that. Yeah, Magician card. You are manifesting something. Some of you manifesting a communication from this person. There is so much physical attraction here between you and some. Was this a friends with benefit situation? I see that. Or otherwise the sexual intimacy is top notch, to the point that you crave for it, or somebody craves for you, What is the energy of this person? Four of Cups. They think about you. They don't know how to come forward towards you because they know that they have messed up. Yeah, see, somebody is really stressed because they have done something. They are keeping their emotions to themselves. This is someone, okay, I see that you were dealing with somebody who never really showed their emotions to you entirely. Like I see there was a lot of passion between both of you, but when it came to emotion and expressing freely, this person used to always hide. So yeah, I see that, but I see that somebody kind of is very stressed because of whatever happened between both of you. They feel that they may have missed a shot with you. They think that it might be a missed opportunity, and you might not take them back. Somebody is very stressed. Somebody is having sleepless nights over you because they think that they screwed the chance. Yeah, see, Page of Cups. I see you both are not communicating right now, of course, because there has been a separation that happened between both of you. Suddenly things just kind of stopped working between you and them, but I see that this person is reaching back with communication. It's going to be very fast moving communication. Expect this in maybe 8 days or 8 weeks maximum, but I think 8 days, to be honest, because 801 is like really fast moving energy. I see somebody wants to talk to you. They want to give you some sort of answers that you're looking for, or they might just tell you things like, let's meet. Or it's been some time. They want to apologize, because Page of Cups can be an apology. Somebody wants to come back. I see that you feel that this has ended. You also feel that this is over, but it is not over yet. Somebody that you think has left your life forever has not completely. Yeah, World card, see? So you feel it is over, but this is what they are coming towards you with. 801's Page of Cups. You feel that, oh my god, this is done and dusted. This person is out of my life. Voila! And this person be like, hello, I'm here. What the fuck do you think, Virgo? I will leave you so easily? No. Somebody is not going to leave you. They just don't want to leave you. You are trying hard to move on and work on yourself, but they keep coming back to you. And internally even you crave this person, but you know that they are toxic for you, or they will not give you commitment, so that is why you try to make your mind and move on. But as soon as you try moving on, they show up in your life. So this is happening for some time now, because of which you have never been able to completely move on from this person. What is Virgo's energy presently? Two of Swords. You're confused as fuck, obviously, because you don't know what to do. But somebody is coming full-fledged towards you. I also see with the Two of Swords and Two of Cups that you might be talking to someone new. So it's like, of course, you were seeking for a new person because this person was toxic. They were not giving you commitment. You've started talking to a new person, or you're looking for a new person, but this person also shows back in your life, and then you're going to be confused as to which one to choose. Somebody's giving you a hard time because they're not letting you move on completely. They keep you stuck. Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, like definitely expect a message, a communication coming in. And for some of you, you have a scope for a new connection, but you are also equally confused if you want to go with the new person or you want to go back to the old person, because I see two people here. So it's like you want to move forward, you want to focus on your healing with the Ace of Pentacles, but then you maybe have feelings for this person as well. Two of Pentacles. Will this like get any clearer than this? There are 3 freaking twos. There are 4 in the reading, 4 in the tarot deck, and 3 are here itself. Two of Pentacles, Two of Swords, Two of Cups. I definitely see, like, if you are someone, a Virgo, who does not have 2 people, or if you are not somebody who has a past person and looking for a new person simultaneously, basically if you're not stuck between 2 choices, this is not the reading for you. Because for whichever Virgo I am channeling for, I see this Virgo is kind of fucked up because they don't know whether to move forward or whether to go back to the past person. I definitely see it is now kind of burdening you because you don't know. It's confusing. Knight of Cups. There is love coming towards you. Somebody is really, really attracted to you. It could be a water sign, could be an Aries for some of you. I see somebody is going to talk about emotions to you. This person is going to be very emotional in their approach and very mature as well. You have a very mature person coming towards you, but you also have a past person that keeps you stuck. For some of you, I also see that if you were having a hard time with money with the Ace of Pentacles and the Emperor, you will either work in a project or you will get to a position where your financial situation is going to improve. Some sort of expansion in your personal life is what I see, basically. Hanged Man. See, confusion continues. There is someone from the past. This person is confusing the fuck out of you. And I see somebody just wants to rush in and communicate with you. There is someone who's going to show full-fledged in your life suddenly. You might not have expected, but this person is coming in. So expect somebody coming towards you running. Like somebody is literally running and coming towards you because they cannot let go of you. But you are being asked to always remember why you left this person in the past. If they were very, very toxic and they have some narcissistic traits, then what is the point of going back to them? Just because you're attracted to them? Just because you miss the intimacy, you want to go back to them and repeat the whole cycle? Do that. But if you know this person is toxic, then you know what you have to do. You know this person needs to be in the past. Alright, keep focusing on the new beginnings that you are focusing on. If you know this person is toxic, but if you want to go back because you think they have changed, then it's your choice. Eight of Pentacles and Queen of Wands. Your money situation looks to improve. I see definitely for some of you, you're getting some sort of recognition or position in your career, which is going to improve your money situation. Expect your workload to improve, to increase as well with the Eight of Pentacles. I see you will be working for long, dedicated hours. Five of Cups. Somebody basically gave you a very hard time. Like, it really felt like a loss. They have been very emotionally draining. I see they created drama in your life and now you want to hold back yourself from this, but then again some back and forth is happening here because they keep showing back in your life time and again. So you are not able to decide clearly is what I see. It's like you desperately want a new person or a new beginning with the Ace of Wands, but then this person also keeps showing in your life. So you're confused. King of Pentacle. I'm very happy to see many Pentacle cards here. We have Queen of Pentacle, now King of Pentacle. Your money is definitely improving, and I really wish that everybody's money situation should improve in a situation like COVID especially. But yeah, I see that. And for your relationship, I see that you have a new person. And there's an old person as well. So it's like you have to choose which way to go. New or old. And you know, you also need to remind yourself that if you want a new person, you have to do new things in life. Like you can't keep doing or keep going back to the past and then expect new. All right, just remember that. Nine of Cups. I see some sort of wish fulfillment. Some of you, maybe your wish was to hear from this past person, and that's coming in. Eight of Swords. See, you're confused. You don't know what to do. Oh my god, a lot of back and forth is happening here. Ten of Cups. I definitely see a very fulfilling relationship waiting for you, but you're not able to make your mind to basically go towards this person. Some of you, your mental health is suffering because of course a lot is going on. I see your career and work was having problems, so maybe that's why you had a lot of strain on your mind, but it's going to improve. And with the Ten of Cups, I see that a very good relationship coming in, or you already are in talking terms with this new person, and it's also telling that you are ready. But the problem is that you cannot get this past situation out of your mind, so work on that. All right, let's see message for my Virgo, please. Remain positive. See, your message is to basically remain positive. Do not try to get negative. And it's a yes. So whatever you want to do, and if you're confused whether you should do or not, it's yes. And it's also asking you to remain positive, all right? Don't try to self-sabotage things, or do not try to play past scenarios and cause yourself negativity. Give me a message for Virgo, please. Keep an open mind. Some of you, you're not thinking in different directions. It's like you're just very confined with a certain way of doing things. You are being asked to keep an open mind because maybe in relationship as well, you are like, okay, this is my person and this is how my person is going to be, but your person could be very different from your usual type and expectation. So that is why the cards are asking you to keep an open mind, because it could be anybody, somebody who's going to be very different as well. And you also have give your relationship a chance. So yeah, I see two people here in your love situation. You have a confusion between two people, a past or a new person. You can choose which way to go. All right, so that was your reading. Hope this helps to resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, bye.